Start by pulling the sides up and secure it with an elastic. And then just take what's left hanging down in the ponytail and flip it over into a topsy tail. Go ahead and tighten that. And the reason we're going to do the topsy tail is it helps the pony to lay flat against your head. And when it's low like that, you can wear a hat or a headpiece easily. Now to make those bouncy ringlet curls, you're going to take your curling iron, about a 1-inch curling iron or smaller, and clamp it onto your hair and go all the way down to the bottom of your hair, including the ends. So don't leave the ends out because that gives it a messy beachy wave, and we want really tight structured ringlet curls. Then roll it up horizontally, keeping your curling iron horizontal. And then when you release the curl, you're going to want to add a lot of hairspray and do not brush them out. Continue doing ringlet curls on the rest of your hair and you will have a half up, half down with ringlet curls.